A very good day. I bid to my lecturer, Dr. Lim Chai Wan, and I am Liyana binti Muhammad Fuad, and I am here to present my topic issue. My topic issue is the brain drain issue in Malaysia. So, what is brain drain issue? Brain drain issue is the departure of highly qualified, skilled, and talented workers, which are willingly to emigrate outside of their country to find better employment or better salary. So, for example, many developing countries, such as our own country, Malaysia, suffer from brain drain, where talented workers are willing to move outside of their country, which is the developed countries in the United States, United Kingdom, and Australia, to find better employment opportunities over there. And from the statistics done by Randstad, 61% of employees in Singapore, Hong Kong, and Malaysia are willing to emigrate outside of their country to find a job that is not available in their country. And the demographic that are most willing to emigrate outside of their own country are Malaysian male employees aged between 25 to 34. So why is brain drain a big issue? This is because Malaysia is currently losing a lot of talented and skilled workers because they seek better opportunities outside of Malaysia. And from the survey done by the World Bank, we can see that the number one reason that Malaysians are moving outside of Malaysia is to seek better career prospects. This is because Malaysia is not offering a very attractive career prospects to them. So what has the government done to curb this issue? So number one, in 2010, Datuk Seri Najib Tun Razak, our ex-Prime Minister, has introduced the Government Transformation Program, GTP. This was introduced to reduce the emigration rate, and they introduced 7 goals to be achieved. However, it didn't do much to reduce the emigration rate, but it did help to improve the employment rate in Malaysia. And next, we have the Talent Corp Malaysia, which is an incentive done by the government to develop skills of undergraduates in Malaysia and also to attract the global talent back home by offering them incentives. So, for example, we can see that the Talent Corp Malaysia has introduced the Fast Track, which is a 12-month apprenticeship program for fresh graduates in the electrical sector in Penang. And they encourage them to train to be the research and development engineers, and they provide them the relevant industrial knowledge to them. Next, we have the SIP, which is a collaboration with the Minister of Higher Education, which means Structured Internship Program. They encourage companies to provide students with high quality learning experience by introducing them to working life. So for the methods to conduct my research is, one of it is library research or internet research. Next one is interviews, which I will mainly focus on working adults. And the next one is the feedback forms and surveys. So in conclusion, I think that the government should introduce favorable starting salary to fresh graduates to reduce the brain drain issue in Malaysia. This is because from what I have talked about in my slides, the brain drain issue is centered around the employment issue and how they did not attract the employees and fresh graduates to work in Malaysia. So in conclusion, that is all for me. Thank you.